To use your Wise card, start by understanding where and how it can be used. The Wise card is a debit card that allows you to spend money from your Wise account, which can be funded in multiple currencies. You can use your Wise card to make purchases online, in-store, or to withdraw cash from ATMs worldwide, wherever Visa or MasterCard is accepted. First, make sure your Wise card is activated and you have sufficient funds in your account. You can check your balance and manage your account through the Wise mobile app or website. When making a purchase, simply select the currency you want to pay in, and if you have funds in that currency, the transaction will be made from those funds. If not, Wise will automatically convert the funds from your other balances at the current exchange rate. When shopping online, enter your Wise card details as you would with any other debit or credit card. For in-store purchases, use your card like any other debit or credit card. And for contactless payments, ensure your Wise card has the contactless symbol. To withdraw cash from an ATM, insert your card, select your language, enter your PIN, and choose the withdrawal option. It is essential to be aware of any fees associated with using your Wise card, such as ATM fees or foreign transaction fees. However, Wise is known for offering competitive exchange rates and lower fees compared to traditional banks. To avoid any unexpected fees, always check the fees associated with your Wise card and plan your transactions accordingly. In addition to using your Wise card for everyday purchases, you can also use it to pay bills, subscription services, or send money to friends and family. The Wise mobile app allows you to easily track your transactions, receive notifications, and freeze your card if it is lost or stolen. To get the most out of your Wise card, make sure to keep your account and card details up to date, and regularly review your transaction history to ensure everything is in order. By following these steps and best practices, you can safely and conveniently use your Wise card for all your financial needs, whether at home or abroad.